What's going on, everybody? Black Dragon Rider here. On my way back home. Gotta go back to do my forklift training. I don't know if anybody know about this news about this teenager who beat up a pregnant woman and she had a miscarriage because of this teenager. I think she was 20, I think she's 20 or 19, I think. And if you can see the picture of her mugshot, you kind of like see it like some sort of a joke. Some sort of a joke. You know, beating up a pregnant woman and lost her first, I think it was her first child. And, yeah, you know, I feel sorry for the lady. Got a miscarriage. But it's just shocking to hear this. Of this monster of a woman beating up a pregnant lady. I mean, what the hell is going on? What someone in the right mind to beat up a pregnant woman? That is just messed up in the head to do that to someone. And if you can see this picture again, she doesn't feel guilty about it. She just smiles. You know that there's something wrong right there. Something extremely wrong with that woman's head to do such a thing. And because of that, that child is not born. This child is not going to be born to see this world because of this woman. It's disgusting. And she just smiles about it. There is something wrong with that girl. Something wrong. But yeah, when I read that article, it's one of those things that I don't know what to say about it. You just say, you know, sorry for your loss. But one thing that really pissed me off is she got 12 months in prison. 12 months in prison. That is freaking crazy. You know, this is what the funny thing is. That if a man did this to a woman, he will get, what, 10 years? Or maybe more than 10 years. So how come the fuck this woman here got 12 months? 12 months in prison. You got 12 months in prison, man. And this is what 12 months in prison. Not even 12 years in prison. Not even, you know, 10 years in prison. But instead you give her 12 months. I'll say that is unjustified sentence right there. That woman should get more. She should get more. And if anybody agrees with that she should get more than 12 months, you know, put your comments down below. It's disgusting. To me, it kind of sounds like it's a special treatment that women that does this, she deserves to get a higher sentence. Because, like I said, it feels like she's getting this special treatment when women do a crime like this to a man or woman. They get the special treatment if they do a crime, even if it's the same crime as a man did. They get less sentence. Why? all women are getting less sentence for doing the same crime as a man. And this is what pissed me off, is about this equality. She's not even... It's about all these women fighting about these equality of these feminists. It's bullshit. There's no such thing as equality whatsoever, because I'm not seeing it, and there are other people out there that are not seeing it, who's in the same situation that what I'm saying right now. Because if it was about equality, women would get the same sentence if she did the same crime as a man did, or something monstrous. But this woman here, who is killed a child, an unborn child, and this woman had a miscarriage, and she's not getting a sentence. She's not getting the same sentence as a man. Freaking ridiculous, man. Freaking ridiculous. And I know there are some women who's watching this video and would probably agree with me that this woman deserved to, you know, to get sentenced, to get a longer sentence. And if anyone turn around and say no, she doesn't deserve a longer sentence, then you are a very bad person. You're letting someone who is doing a crime that is so disgusting, crime, a monstrous crime, on a pregnant woman. And if you, man, I'm just gonna end this video right here, man. It's just, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If not, give this video a dislike. Don't forget to comment. And for all of you guys who want to see new different contents, I have loads of videos of that would entertain you. And don't forget to share my videos to your friends or family. So my name is Black Dragon Rider. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Goodbye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.